So, are you facing like you are recording your voiceover and it's coming only from left headphone? Like it's not stereo, it's working like mono but still in one headphone instead of the both headphones. So, same here, I'm facing this issue in my videos. You can also hear in this video, I don't know, you can hear the um, editing voiceover as you can see here, but I will show you the solution of this method in Camtasia and as well the Audacity, because Audacity is the software that mostly YouTubers using right now, and might be they are facing these kind of issues as well. So the quick fix for this solution in Camtasia is when you after recording your voiceover, just see on the right top corner a mix to mono. Just check that option and you will hear your voiceover in both headphones, the left and the right, equally, instead of like right is lower and the left is higher. Without that option, just turn that option on and you will hear your voiceover. Okay, if you are using headphones, you heard the voice only in left headphone just because of that option. Now I just turned that option on, and now you can see comparison between these options, this option. Now in Camtasia, the same issue happening here, two stereo recording channels. So that's mean you are using two headphones as two microphones at the same time. So when you record your audio, you can see here your audio recording in two channels, but only the one is highlighted, you're like monitoring your audio instead of the second channel. The right channel is not recording your audio. So for that guys, the same procedure, if you are using one microphone, then you need to select here the mono option and then start your recording, and after recording you will listen it in both headphones equally. I hope guys now it solve your issue. Hit the subscribe button and share it with friend. If you have any question, just comment below, so I will try to solve it for you. Have a good day, bye bye, and please hit the subscribe button and share it with friend, like and comment below. Have a good day, bye bye.